Hello and welcome to this personal video from Berthon International of the 2012 Windy 31 Zonda that we have for sale in Puerto Portales, Mallorca. This very special example was originally supplied to Scandinavia and comes with twin D3 220 diesel engines and the champagne hull colour in gel coat. Other options include a hot water system. She also has a bow and stern thruster and a host of other upgrades over the standard spec. So please do have a look through the video and see what you think. The Windy 31627 is offered for sale in Puerto Portales, Mallorca and is under regular gardenage service from Berthon, Spain. She was ashore with Berthon installed in our shed this winter and was carefully serviced and prepared ready for the 2023 season. The Zonda was reviewed by Motorboats Monthly as the best hull we've ever tested, and she was awarded the accolade of Motorboat of the Year. The Zonda offers this large social cockpit design with 3 sport seats forward, social central cockpit and an aft sunpad. The cockpit is teak-laid and you have the extended bathing platform. The cockpit has also been upgraded in Sunbrella cockpit upholstery. The extended platform features a folding down bathing ladder and you have a teak-laid companionway with fender locker. Back in the cockpit there is a removable table for the central area which is stored under the engine hatch, and the sunpad backrest moves back and forwards. There is plenty of storage below the cockpit seats, and there is additional storage below the deck hatch which also offers access to the top of the water and black water tanks. The windscreen is fitted with this quality stainless handrail which runs around the windscreen and adds to the feeling of security and quality on board. A great feature on the Zonda is that you have double sports seats actually at the helm with bolsters, and there is an additional co-pilot seat forward to port. The helm position is finished in special Nextel anti-glare paint, and there is a dedicated space for a chart, notable handrail for additional security, and this boat has been upgraded with the Garmin 5012 chart plotter, also a log and autopilot. This boat is also fitted with the analog engine instrumentation which is repeated on the trip computers. The boat is also enhanced with automatic trim tabs and the Fusion 600 stereo with remote at the helm. Here we can also see the control for the chain counter and the bow and stern thrusters. The engine room on the 31 Zonda is accessed via an electric raise with control at the helm position. Within the engine room we can see the hot water tank and the twin D3 220 engines. Please make note of the general clean condition of the engine room. The table is stored underneath the engine hatch, and you also have a dedicated canopy well for the canopy bars. On the Zonda the bars can easily fold up in position without having to manhandle them. This boat is supplied with both a camper canopy and a bimini sunshade. The boat is designed with standing headroom for the galley at the companionway hatch, where you also have easy access to the top stowing drinks fridge. In the cabin there is a double berth with plenty of storage. There are also a hanging locker and there is a shelf locker outboard of the berth. The cabin has also been upgraded with diesel-fired heating, which also has an outlet in the cockpit. The galley on this boat is well appointed with a composite worktop, diesel-fired ceramic hob and sink with hot and cold mixer tap. There is also plenty of storage lockers. The bathroom is fitted with an electric head and there's a shower which comes off the tap. There is also a large top-stowing vanity locker underneath the composite worktop. The large foredeck feels safe and secure with non-slip GRP. There is an electric windlass forward which can be controlled from the foredeck or at the helm. What can't be seen in the video is the hull colour. The boat is externally finished in the windy champagne cream hull colour finish, which has been maintained in excellent condition. The yacht has benefited from extensive service and care, and in recent years has been under full gardenage care from Berthon Spain. Certain areas of the teak have also been recorked, and extensive winter works included anti-fouling, hull polishing and full Volvo service work.